Hey guys, I haven't posted a Bantu Knot video in a long time, so I decided to go ahead and do one. I'm using my heat protectant. This is an oil based. I sometimes use the Tresemme spray one, but I really like this glossy oil based one. That's what I'm using today, right before I blow dry my hair. I'm making sure it's thoroughly detangled with my tangle teaser. And I do blow dry it on high heat and high speed. I do this so I can get it the straightest, driest, and quickest. I use my dimming brush to further stretch my hair, make sure all the tangles are out. I've done Bantu knots several different ways. I do it on wet hair, dry hair. I have twisted it, 2-strand twist before and then coil my hair. So today I'm doing a very simple, it's like the easiest one. And I think that this style works best when your hair is a little longer. So when my hair was shorter, I had to twist it first and then coil it. And I felt like that gave the best curl. But now I just want like some body waves. So this works great for that. The main product that I'm using is the Mono's Hair Curl Smoothing Pudding. Now I just hold it up like that. It was blurry and I did it quick. Y'all couldn't see that. I'm also adding a little bit of gel when I get to the end. I'm not using that much product on my hair. I wanted it to be fluffy. So to do that, I use as least product as possible. I'm just going to do the same thing all over my head, 5 sections, 5 Bantu knots, and I let this dry for a couple of hours before removing it.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse.
Last Bantu knot is in. I'm turning around as if y'all can really see what's happening in the back of my head. I hope y'all can see a little bit of it, but there's 2 big sections in the back and then 3 across the front. These are the results a couple of hours later. I just separated it a little bit with my fingers. I had to give y'all an outfit shot because I felt really cute this day. And that's all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.